If you have either followed my previous video on using Ngrok to access your Node-RED from anywhere, or using any other VPN/tunneling tools where your Node-RED instance is publicly exposed, then you should not miss this video, because you just exposed your entire system to the internet. Without proper security, anyone who finds your Ngrok URL can access, modify, or even delete your flows. Let me show you how to secure your Node-RED with password protection in next 5 minutes. Welcome back everyone. My name is Hariharnath. In our last video, we saw how to use Ngrok to make your Node-RED accessible from anywhere. We are going to add username and password authentication to ensure only you can access your dashboard and flows. This is Security 101 when exposing any service to the internet. So let's get started right away. First, I'll stop this Node-RED flow by using Ctrl+C, and then I'll show you by starting the Node-RED and opening localhost. So now you can see without any authentication it has opened, and I'll also start the Ngrok. So you have this URL. This URL you need to paste and see how it will be opening. So it has directly loaded without any authentication. So now what we need to do is, you need to locate a settings.js file. I'll give you that location. So open your run. So inside run, you need to paste this command, that is user profile .node-red settings.js, and it will ask you to open any of the editor. So now I have opened Visual Studio Code. You can even use Notepad. So here you need to find authentication. So you can see admin auth. So this is right now as a commented block. So next thing that you need to do is, the username can be admin, but the password you need to provide a hash here. So to provide the hash here, you need to open another command prompt. So in this command prompt, you need to mention another command, Node-RED. So for this admin, you need to provide hash. So you need to use this hash-pw command to generate a hash. So it will ask you to provide a password. So I have typed a password and it has given me hash. So now I'll copy this hash and paste it inside here. So once you have pasted, you can even uncomment this by Ctrl/. So now I have uncommented these credentials and I'll save this file. So you need to restart your Node-RED. So I'll just stop this and restart the Node-RED. And here immediately it is asking me the username password without even refresh. So I'll give the username and password and it has logged in. Same way I'll open here in Ngrok. Here also it is asking same username and password. And then after refreshing, it is able to log in. So if I want to log out and then show you again, so I can log out and then click on username and password. You can also see this kind of approach. And that's it. Your Node-RED installation is now protected with basic authentication, even when accessed through Ngrok. This is absolutely essential when exposing services to the internet. Remember, this is just a basic security. For even better protection, consider setting up HTTPS IP restrictions in Ngrok and regularly changing your password. If you found this video informative, please type helpful in the comment section below and smash that like button. Check out my other Node-RED tutorials by clicking on the top right corner or in the end screen. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.